How to use at all from espressoenglish.net. Recently, a student sent me this message. She said, "I usually hear questions like this, 'Do you drive at all?' or similar, and they are very confusing for me. I never know if it is a positive or negative question and how to answer it. Could you help me on this?" At all means something like anything more than 0 or even a little bit. At all is most commonly used in negative sentences. For example, "I don't eat pork at all" means I don't eat pork, not even a little bit. "He doesn't exercise at all" means he does no exercise, 0 exercise. "The party was no fun at all." That means there was 0 fun, not even a little. "I can't sing at all." That means I have 0 singing talent, not even a little ability to sing. So that's how to use at all in negative statements. In questions, the person is inquiring about any activity, even small or infrequent. So when someone asks, "Do you drive at all?" they are asking, "Do you drive?" even a little bit or even infrequently. So if you ever drive, if the amount of your driving is more than 0, then the answer would be yes. If you don't drive, you never drive, you spend 0 time driving, then the answer to "Do you drive at all?" would be no. Here's another example. Did he say anything at all? That means, did he say anything, even just a tiny or short phrase? If he said something, even if it was just one word, then the answer to this question would be yes. If he stayed silent, then the answer to this question would be no. Let's put it into practice. Leave a comment on this video and fill in these 2 blanks. I don't like at all. For example, I don't like beans at all, or I don't like rock music at all. Remember, this should be something that you don't like even a little bit. You completely dislike it. And I haven't, and then put an activity, at all lately. For example, I haven't studied at all lately, if you've spent 0 time studying in the past few days. Or, I haven't watched TV at all lately. Again, if you've spent 0 time doing this activity recently. At all is an example of an informal expression that's a little bit hard to translate, but you'll hear it in spoken English. If you want to learn the real phrases and expressions that native speakers use, check out my Everyday English Speaking course. Click on the link in the video or in the description for more information.